Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you secret websites to make money. Yes, 25 secret websites where you can make money. The first one on my list here is inboxdollars.com. Yes, Inbox Dollars is actually a US rewards website with a variety of ways to earn good money. Yes, another way to actually make money is to use Database or Slack. Yes, it's one of the easiest ways to find new side hustles. Yes, and guess what? You can use this website, Redbubble. Yes. And guys, the third one on my list here is Redbubble. Yes, it's a cool website to make money with unique designs through print on demand. The next website on my list here is Rover. Guess what? You can get paid to walk dogs in your neighborhood. Yes. The next website on my list is Prime Opinion. Yes. Guys, Prime Opinion is a new survey platform with fast payouts. Yes, so the next website on my list here is Earn App. Guys, don't even sleep on it too. Make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end because I'm going to spill all the tea in today's video. Yeah. So guys, Earn App is a new honey gain alternative that pays you to share your internet. Have you heard that one before? The next one on my list here is TaskRabbit. Yes, it's a nifty gig app where you can offer a range of services to make money in your city. The next one on my list here is Swagbox. Guys, it's one of my favorite GPT websites to make money online. The next website is Unlock. Yes, it's a brand new survey website with a wide range of prizes. The next one is QMe. QMe is a useful shopping extension and rewards website, and it is globally friendly. You can use it from any part of the world. The next one on my list here is Amazon Turk. Now, this micro task website lets you make money in your spare time by completing online tasks. The next one on my list here is Clickworker. Yes, it's another micro gig website with fast cash payout. The next one on my list is Respondents. Yes, it's a user research platform with lucrative studies that you can participate in. The next one on my list is Atapo. Yes, it's a user-friendly website. It's a survey app, yes, that you need to try out today and make good money. The next one on my list is Rumble. Yes, Rumble is actually like YouTube, but it's a YouTube alternative where creators can make videos and earn money. And the next one on my list here is Teachable. Guys, Teachable is a useful platform, yes, if you want to sell online courses. And the next one on my list here is Bestmark. Now, Bestmark is one of the top mystery shopping gigs around. It's a website where you can get a job as a mystery shopper. The next one on my list here is studypool.com. Yes. So guys, Studypool is a great website for you to sell your notes or do homework for money. Yes, you can help people do their homework, their assignments, and you get paid for it. The next one is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the largest freelance gig marketplaces that is also similar to Upwork. The next one on my list is Rakuten. Yes. So besties, Rakuten is a great cashback shopping platform that works with thousands of stores and you can get money cashback on purchases. The next one on my list here is Prolific. Prolific is one of the top market research panels that pays its members with cash. The next one on my list is User Tested. User Testing is a website that pays you to test websites and apps in your spare time. The next one here is Shutterstock. Yes, Shutterstock. You can earn money by licensing and selling your stock photography and videos. Guys, if you're new here, I'm going to share the rest of the websites in today's video. So if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourselves. Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comments. Yes, I'd like to know you and me too. What part of the world are you tuning in from? And if you're seeing me for the first time, this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And just so you know, I'm going to be giving a giveaway in today's video. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can apply for today's giveaway. Yes, so to all my Patreon members, I want to say big thank you. You guys are amazing. You're the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you from the my heart. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means I get a free one-on-one consultation with me. Without further ado, let's get right into today's topic, guys. Come with me. Let's go. So guys, do you know that you can start a print-on-demand business? Yes, so do you know it is easy and it is profitable? Guys, today we are talking about starting a print-on-demand business this year, and it's a great way to make money online with minimal investments. Please note, you don't need to stop going out. You don't need to cancel Netflix. You don't need to eliminate social media. All you need to do is to get up earlier, to create a routine, and to focus on your goals. I promise you, 6 months of discipline can change your life for good, and you will be ahead of 99% of your peers. So let's get right into it. What is print on demand? Print on demand allows you to sell custom products like t-shirts, like mugs and posters without holding inventory. Products are printed and shipped only when you make a sale. And the best platforms for print on demand are Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. Now, these platforms integrate with e-commerce websites like Shopify and Etsy, and you can also design tips. Yeah, you can create eye-catching design using tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. You can keep up with trends and create niche specific designs. Now, as for marketing, please, you can use social media, social media, to drive traffic to your store and also collaborate with influencers to reach a larger audience. Guys, making money online offers unparalleled benefits, which includes flexibility, low startup costs, diverse income streams, and of course scalability. While there are so many methods to choose from, I would advise that you leverage on the power of automation. Yes, because there are proven strategies, and with comprehensive support, you can achieve your financial freedom quickly and efficiently. So whether you're interested in freelancing, in affiliate marketing, in online surveys, or selling digital products, or even drop shipping, the key to success is taking action. Don't wait any longer. Yes, explore the easiest way to make money online and start your journey towards a brighter financial future today. I always say it, that money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you'll never be broke again. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video, but I have not forgotten my giveaway. So here is how to apply for today's giveaway. We have finally launched our Telegram channel. All you need to do is go to the link in my description and my comments. You'll find the link to the Telegram community, to the Telegram group. So all you need to do is to share the link with 20 to 50 people. Between 20 people and 50 people in your network. You can share it with your, in your Facebook groups, in your WhatsApp groups, with your church members, your mosque members, your students, students union, your whatever. You go ahead and share with your friends and your enemies and village members. Share with them and make sure that you have, you're able to itemize how many people you added into my group, into my Telegram community. So when you're done with that, you come back to this video and let me know how many people you have successfully added into the Telegram community. So what you need to do is let me know how many. Please do not inflate the numbers. The moment you inflate the numbers, you're automatically disqualified. Please, it's better to understate the numbers than to overstate your numbers. Do not exaggerate the number of people, because I do not want anyone to take credit for what they have not done. So let me know how many people you have been able to add. You can add 50, you can add 100 people. If you're able to add 100 people, the more. If you add above 50 people, you even start a bigger chance of getting my free gifts for today. Yes, I'm going to verify the numbers, and I'll ask you to email me, send me your details. I'll verify you with your ID, and I will request for your account details, and I will credit you with some money. Yes, and I think that is fair enough. So that is it for today, guys. I hope today's video has been a blessing to you. This is also one way to make money. When you share my Telegram link, you get paid for it, but I'm going to be selecting randomly, and it is for a period of time. So go ahead and do that today. Start sharing my Telegram link with your friends and your village members, your besties, and everybody. If you have not liked this video, go ahead and like this video, and do well to share this video as well with your community. And of course, I will see you in my next video. And in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're gorgeous, you're sweet, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you on the inside in my next video. Bye guys, love you.